Hello, welcome to Mr. Adams' grammar class. Today we're looking at a couple of concepts here in grammar. First, we're going to look at the helping verbs, or known as auxiliary verbs. Typically we talk about them as helping verbs. There are 23 of them in common usage in the English language. Let's look at 5. Can, were, has, been, and should. Okay, they help the main verb. They're not the main verb. They help the main verb, and when they're constructed together with the main verb, they form a verb phrase. Phrases are one word or a group of words that, when they form together, they create one part of speech. So the helping verb works with the main verb to form the verb phrase. Okay. Then let's look first here at the noun phrase. The sentence I have the other way is, I went to the store. I went to the store. The noun is I, of course. Okay? And here it's all by itself. It works as a subject, so the noun phrase is I. And the second example I have, Bill and Sue ran away. Okay? Here the noun phrase is larger. We figured out that Bill and Sue is in fact the subject. It's also the noun phrase because it's two nouns connected with a conjunction, which forms the noun phrase and the subject, Bill and Sue. Okay, good stuff. Now, moving on to our verb phrases. Okay, we have some examples here. It says, the packages were sent to Singapore, our beloved Singapore. Okay, here we have, what's the main verb? The main verb is sent. Okay, what were sent? The packages. Okay, so, the main verb is were. So the main verb is sent. So were then is the helping verb, which makes were sent the verb phrase. So that's the way that works. And then we have here the next sentence. We have the giant trees there can be an amazing sight. The giant trees there can be an amazing sight. Okay. The main verb is to be verb, of course. The main verb. Can then is the helping verb. Can be. Put them together, and that then is the verb phrase, okay, which makes that complete thought, a complete phrase, okay? Very good, excellent. All right, finally, we're going to look at a little bit of what I call a class diagramming, or a sentence tree, if you will. I apologize for my drawing. My drawing is not the best, but it works. Here's our sentence. It says, the class went to China on a trip. How nice is that? Okay. To my Chinese cohort of friends. Okay. And then, so let's finish this. The class went to China on a trip. So your diagram is simple. You first find your verb. The main verb is went. Here's your main verb went. Then we realize what went. The class went. So that is the noun phrase with a article, which is the noun class, noun phrase. And then we have this part, which is the predicate. Okay, we divide it. Here I see the preposition to. Okay, so to is the preposition. China then becomes the object of the preposition. So together we have to China then as the prepositional phrase. Okay, then next to it, we see another preposition called on. Okay, on is the preposition, and then what was on? A trip. Okay? So trip becomes the object of the preposition. A, of course, is the article. So together, these three things form another prepositional phrase. So you put that together, and that's how your sentence is diagrammed. Thank you for listening to my Mr. Adams' grammar lesson. Have a good day. God bless.